Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to change app icon badges in your phone Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G. First of all, understand that what is the app icon badges. Go to the home screen and see here 23 notifications numbers are showing for 22 for YouTube and 1 for Gmail. Okay, this is app icon badge. App icon badge is showing as number. Okay, so if you want to change it to dot, yes, you can do it. What you have to do is go to the settings of your phone here, then go to home screen, then go to app icon badges, click over it and click on dot. Now instead of numbers, only dot will be showing. Okay, so you cannot know how much notifications you have received for the particular app, but surely you have received the notifications. Okay, only dot is showing. Okay, so it is better to use number only. Okay, if you want to set back to default number options, again go to the same settings and go to home screen, then go to app icon badges and select number. Okay, now numbers will be showing on the see here on the on app corner, numbers will be showing. Okay, if you would like to turn off completely this app icon badge, you don't want to get those marking, then you can do it. Yes, again go to the same settings, go home screen, then turn off this button app icon badges so that no badges will be shown even if you get notification over it. Okay, that's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.